Why do some people stay consistent for years while most of us quit in days? Psychology has studied this question for decades, and the answer is uncomfortable. Let me tell you the story of a man who never missed a day for 5 years creating habit, and what science discovered behind it. 5 years ago, this man, Brian, was completely ordinary. He struggled with procrastination. He felt tired after work. He started things and quit. One night he realized something painful. Every time I fail, it's not because I can't do it. It's because I stopped showing up. So he chose one rule. Every day, same time, same place. 30 minutes of work, no exceptions, no excuses. The first week felt motivating, but by week 3, motivation disappeared. Boredom kicked in. Doubt crept in. Nothing exciting was happening. This is exactly the stage where most habits die. And research proves this. A University College London study, Lally et al. 2009, found that habit failure doesn't happen at the start. It happens when motivation fades and repetition becomes boring. Here's why. Motivation is driven by dopamine, the brain's reward chemical. Dopamine spikes when something is new or exciting, but neuroscience shows dopamine drops when rewards are delayed. When dopamine drops, the brain says, "Stop, this isn't worth it." Most people obey this signal. This man didn't. Before we go further, if you want psychology-backed discipline, not fake motivation, subscribe to my channel. Coming back to our video. Neuroscience research from MIT and Graybiel shows that repeated actions move from the prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for effort and decision-making, to the basal ganglia, the habit automation center. Once this shift happens, resistance drops, effort decreases, behavior becomes automatic. This man stayed consistent long enough for automation to replace motivation. Think of learning to drive. At first, we're stressful, exhausting, mentally demanding. Later, whilst automatic, effortless, unconscious discipline works the same way. After a few months, something strange happened. He stopped asking, "Should I do it today?" The question vanished. Skipping felt wrong, not difficult. Psychology calls this identity-based habit formation. According to self-perception theory, Daryl Bem, 1972, we don't act because of who we are. We become who we are because of what we repeatedly do. Every day he showed up, his brain collected evidence. I am someone who doesn't miss. Breaking the habit would now damage identity, not just discipline. That's why consistency became natural. 5 years later, his life was unrecognizable. Not because of one big decision, not because of talent, but because of 1,825 ordinary days. Motivation fades. Discipline doesn't. When it becomes identity, if you wait to feel ready, you'll wait forever. Train your brain to expect action. Most people want motivation. This channel is for people who want change. If you are one of those people, subscribe to my channel.